important thing that will need clear indication that what they are and should have proper layers. So how will we add layers? If you don't know how to do it, then I've made a completely different video on it. Go check out the channel. So this is a fresh AutoCAD file. So now we'll add layers on this first option that is right here. If you can see a small sun right there, that is add layers. So first we'll go on columns and we'll choose a color which I prefer to be a skin. Then we'll add another layer will be which is important as wall. We will go with let's say red. Okay, so next we can go is with window frame. Okay, so for window frames we'll go with yellow. And then we also have glasses, so we'll have glass layer and add a color blue which is little lighter, let's say like this. We will go for glass. Anything else is remaining is the grid lines. We will add a color something in brown or ochre, let's say something this will work. Okay, so we are all set with the layers that we have to add. You can add as many layer as you want and as many things that you want. So first of all, we'll change the grid lines line property to default and line type to be as an ISO dash. If you don't know how to load lines, then I've also made a video on that. You can go check that out. That is very easy. Now let's now just keep all the things in the layer. Now they're in def points right now. So these are the three columns that I have in my AutoCAD file. I've given them the column layer